Okay, in this section of the course, we showed you three different ways that you can generate classes for JHipster. One is through the JDL language, the second was through JDL Studio, and the third is using UML. And I have a quick code assignment for you. I want you to get comfortable with these tools. So create yourself a JHipster project and write something in JDL Studio. Create a small, maybe do book author, a little demonstration of that. Do that just raw JDL, and then try JDL Studio as well. And optionally, try one of the UML modeling tools. If you like UML and like any of these tools, give it a try. The functionality is pretty similar between JDL and importing an XML file from a UML tool. So I'm not too concerned about that. I just want you to try this out. I think it'd be a good exercise for you to go through so you can get used to using these tools. So at this point in the course, we've shown you how to build your own JHipster project. So create your own JHipster project and try out these tools and get some hands-on time with it. Run some experiments, and I think it would be beneficial for you to do that.